Welcome to the video on how to increase your orders and profits by running ads on Meesho. Advertisements are a powerful way to increase the visibility of your catalogs on Meesho so that you get more orders and make more profits. Let's dive into the details. 1. Why should you use ads? When you run ads on Meesho and a customer searches or browses for products in your category, your catalogs are shown on top slots. They look like any other catalog listing but have an ad tag. When you advertise your catalogs, it leads to higher visibility and results in more clicks. More clicks lead to an increase in orders, and more orders mean more profits. 2. How should you create ad campaigns on Meesho? To create your first ad campaign, go to the Supplier Panel. Click on Advertisement tab. Click Create Campaign. Enter a unique campaign name. Select the catalogs you want to advertise. Edit the cost per click for each catalog to rank your catalogs higher on the app. Set a daily or total budget for your campaign. Choose how long you want to run the ad campaign for and click Continue to submit. We suggest you use a daily budget with no end date to maximize the impact of your ad campaign. Once you click Continue to submit, you will land on a summary page. Verify the details you filled out before submitting the ad campaign. Click on Submit and your ad will go live across Meesho. 3. How should you track and manage your ad campaigns? You can easily track and manage your ad campaigns on the Meesho Advertisement dashboard. The Advertisement dashboard tells you how your ad campaign is performing via metrics like budget utilized, which is the amount of money spent on an ad campaign, or return on investment or ROI, which is the revenue divided by ad cost. Thus, you can measure the impact of your ads. Based on the performance of your ad campaigns, you can choose to pause certain catalogs by using the toggle button under Actions. You can also take paused catalogs live using the same toggle button again anytime. If you wish, you can even edit your campaign budget and campaign duration as needed. In case you are not satisfied with your ad campaign, you can stop immediately by clicking the Stop button on the campaign details page. 4. How will you be charged for ads? You don't have to pay anything upfront at the time of creating an ad. You will be charged from your allocated budget only if a customer clicks on your ad. A click is considered when a customer who wants to buy your product either taps on a particular ad and goes to the catalog details page for more clarity or clicks on the share or wishlist icon for the advertised catalog. Payments for your ad campaigns are deducted every Tuesday from your payout. 5. What is cost per click and how does it work? The cost per click or CPC is the cost you pay when a customer clicks on your ad. Please note, the CPC is different for different categories. You can find the CPC for your category in the rate chart by clicking the View Rate Chart option beneath Select Catalog for Campaign. We have recently launched a new feature that allows you to edit the amount you are willing to spend per click. This allows your ad to rank higher on listing pages where your catalogs will show. It increases your chances of getting more orders on Meesho. While creating a campaign, select catalogs to advertise. Once you select your catalogs, you can edit the CPC to rank the selected catalogs higher on the app. You can place your bid by referring to the suggested CPC. Suggested CPC is the price range that helps you win top ad positions for your catalogs in a given category. Improve and control the ranking of your ad by increasing the CPC. On the campaign performance page too, you can edit the CPC for each catalog after reviewing their performance so that they are shown in top slots on Meesho. 6. How should you resolve ad queries? Click on How it works on the Ads dashboard for a tour of the dashboard or FAQs. You will be able to find answers to most of your ad queries in FAQs. If you still face any issues while using ads, you can simply visit the Supplier Panel, click on the Support tab, select Others, and choose I want to know about ads. Once selected, raise a ticket with your queries or concerns and we'll take care of the rest. You can check the status of your ticket under Recently Raised Tickets. Our supplier support team will resolve any queries you might have. By using Meesho ads, thousands of suppliers from different parts of our country have derived great value for their businesses. Here's what one of our suppliers using Meesho ads has to say.
हम सूरत बेस्ड कुर्ती और साड़ी के सप्लायर हैं। हम पिछले 1 साल से मीशो के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। जब मीशो ने एडवर्टाइज फीचर लॉन्च किया, तब हमने जाना कि डिफरेंट कैटलॉग पे एडवर्टाइज कैसे रन होती है। मीशो पे एडवर्टाइज रन करना बहुत ही आसान है। हमने भी एडवर्टाइज रन करना स्टार्ट किया। इससे हमारे कैटलॉग की विजिबिलिटी बढ़ी और हमारा सेल्स बूस्ट हुआ। आप सभी भी एडवर्टाइज यूज कर सकते हैं और अपना सेल्स ग्रोथ कर सकते हैं। सो थैंक्स टू ऑल। थैंक यू मीशो।
Start your ad campaign on Meesho today to increase your orders and profits. Happy selling on Meesho. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel.